प्यारे बच्चों, इस वीडियो में हम एक आईटी एडवांस 2022 की प्रॉब्लम को डिस्कस करेंगे। प्रॉब्लम फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट से है। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जब एक लाइट ऑफ ए गिवन वेवलेंथ इज इंसिडेंट ऑन ए मेटालिक सरफेस, जब कोई लाइट किसी गिवन वेवलेंथ की लाइट मेटालिक सरफेस पे इंसिडेंट की जाती है, द मिनिमम पोटेंशियल नीडेड टू स्टॉप द एमिटेड फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 6। एमिटेड इलेक्ट्रॉन को रोकने के लिए मिनिमम स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल जो है वो 6 वोल्ट है। This potential drops to 0.6 volt if another source with wavelength 4 times that of first one is used. ये पोटेंशियल जो है स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल 0.6 वोल्ट हो जाता है जब आप ओरिजिनल लाइट से 4 टाइम्स वेवलेंथ वाली लाइट को यूज करते हैं। What are the wavelength of the first source and the work function of the metal? Given that SC by E equal to 1.24 into 10 raised to power minus 6 जूल मीटर कूलम माइनस। प्रॉब्लम बहुत सिंपल है। प्रॉब्लम सीधे सीधे फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट से दी गई है और आइंस्टाइन इक्वेशंस पे बेस्ड है। That wavelength of the light used is lambda. Lambda is the wavelength of the light. We know that the Einstein equation says that kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy of emitted electron will be equal to SC upon lambda minus W, where W is the work function. Okay, work function. This K maximum can be written as E into V naught, where V naught is the stopping potential, that will be equal to SC by lambda minus W. That in first case the potential is V1. V1 is given here as 6 volt, and in the second wavelength the stopping potential for the second wavelength is equal to 0.6. On applying these equations for first and second light used, we can write E into V1 will be equal to HC upon lambda minus W. Since metal is same, W will be remain same. This is equation first. And when wavelength, we use the wavelength of 4 times of this wavelength, the second equation can be written as EV2 will be equal to HC upon 4 lambda minus W. This is the equation second. Okay. If we subtract equation second from first, we can write EV1 minus EV2 will be equal to SC upon lambda minus SC upon 4 lambda, or we can write E into V1 minus V2 will be equal to SC upon lambda multiplied by 1 minus 1 by 4, or that can be written as E into V1 minus V2 will be equal to SC upon lambda multiplied by 3 by 4. From here we can write lambda will be equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by HC upon E into V1 minus V. On putting the value, we can calculate lambda. Lambda will be equal to 3 by 4 into SC upon E is given as 1.24 into 10 raised to power minus 6, that is 1.24 into 10 raised to power minus 6 divided by 6 minus 0.6 implies that lambda will be equal to 3 by 4 into 1.24 into 10 raised to power minus 6 divided by 5.4, and on simplifying we can write lambda will be equal to, that can be written as 1.8, and from here that can be written as basically 0.31. Lambda will be written as 0.31 divided by 1.8 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6 implies that we can write lambda will be written as 31 upon 80 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7, or that can be written as 1.72 into 10 raised to power minus 7, 8. This is the answer of first part. Now in the question it is asked that what is the basically work function of the matter false. Okay. If we multiply the equation 2 by 4, we can write 4 into EV2 will be equal to SC upon lambda minus 4W. The first equation is EV1 will be equal to SC upon lambda minus W. That this equation is basically third and this equation is first. On subtracting third from first, that is we are subtracting from equation first to equation third, we get E into V1 minus 4 into E into V2 will be equal to basically this SC by lambda will be cancelled out. This SC by lambda that becomes this 3W, or you can write on putting the value of V1 and V2 that comes out to be 6 electron volt minus 4 into 0.6 electron volt divided by equal to 3W. Okay, so that can be written as basically 6 electron volt minus 2.4 electron volt will be equal to 3W, or we can write implies that 3.6 electron volt will be equal to 3W. From here we can write W will be equal to 1.2 electron. Hence the answer of this question will be option 1. Here the wavelength of the light used is 1.72 into 10 raised to power minus 7 meter, and the work function will be equal to 1.2. The answer is correct. Thank you for watching this video. For more such video, keep watching our YouTube channel.